Hello, my YouTube friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you like this video by the end, after you watch, please leave a like and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I just decided to do a very quick tutorial, an intro tutorial for the course that I'm also preparing. Since that I'm actually building a JavaScript course for you guys, I also decided to include within this course, but I'll be building this course separately. I decided to build a not a JavaScript, but a CSS and HTML course. So by the end of this tutorial, you guys will be learning on how to build this wonderful page. Basically, this is my portfolio, which I built using some JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. So this is what you guys will be learning. So it's very handy. This is my portfolio where you guys will have a few links, and so far so good. If you click it, for instance, as you guys see, there is some JavaScript functionality. If you click over there, you will be getting some extra information. Same will happen to those products. And there is also my tech stacks that I learned. This landing page is full responsive. Can also download my CV. So these days, it's very neat to build a portfolio, online portfolio, if you want to apply for a job, because by sending just a normal CV doesn't look right. So by doing this, you're gonna get more attention for your future employer, and this is what you guys will learn on top of that. So as I mentioned, this course is on HTML and CSS. This page is full responsive, and you guys will learn also on how to do that. So I hope you guys will like it. So I'm just going to show you how responsive this page is, and I'll just click here, and then you guys will see that the page is full responsive, right? It's totally full responsive. And then everything that I'm going to teach you here is actually the topics that you'll be using in a daily basis as a front-end web developer. So this course is designed for beginners, but the experienced developer definitely can actually check this video if they want to just use it as a reference. Please, I hope you guys will like this course. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channels and stay tuned.